Alpine A110 S Enstone Edition debuts with carbon trim, matte black wheels. It incorporates the same carbon used for the BWT Alpine F1 team. Alpine is celebrating its Formula 1 team this week ahead of the British Grand Prix with a special edition A110 S. The limited production model incorporates a bit of the BWT Alpine F1 team into the car's cockpit, featuring carbon fiber elements from the same Enstone, UK, workshop as the racing outfit. The A110 S Enstone Edition is the first time Alpine has made interior carbon components using the tools, molds, and autoclaves from the Alpine F1 factory. The instrument cluster visor, center console, and drop zone use the exclusive material. Alpine brands the bill and console with its A-Aero mark and the BWT Alpine F1 team signature. Gallery, Alpine A110 S Enstone Edition. Alpine A110 S Enstone Edition. 25 photos. Each A110 has a numbered plaque, as Alpine plans to produce just 300 cars, and a certificate of authenticity from the Enstone factory. The brand also finishes the cabin in black microfiber with grey contrast stitching. The sporty sabled racing seats come with exclusive Enstone Edition embroidery. Top videos. Alpine will offer the Enstone Edition in two shades of matte grey, dark gris tonnerre, and light argent mercure. Both colors come with a matte black roof adorned with the Union Jack. The flag is available in gloss or matte tone-on-tone black and comes standard in the UK. It's an option in France and other markets. The A110S wears 18-inch matte black GT race wheels that house silver Brembo calipers. The Enstone Edition relies on the A110S's mid-mounted turbocharged 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. It powers the rear wheels, producing 300 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque. The coupe can reach 62 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds and hit a top speed of 171 miles per hour with the optional aero kit. Alpine will begin taking orders in France starting tomorrow. The Enstone Edition starts at €85,000, $92,495 at today's exchange rates, including the VAT. The brand isn't available in the US, but that